It's Friday, November 22nd, 2024. It's 8:47 a.m. Eastern. This is a screen recording of a live trading session with my small account. I'll pause the video and I'll return once the market opens and I see a possible trade. Keeping a close eye on this VRPX, second highest gainer, up about 65%. Had a nice move up at the open, pulled back, ran sideways below VWAP. It's trying to come back to life here. High of day is $1.03. Keep my eye on it and I'll return. I'm in on VRPX. Profit and loss down here. My price is $1.02 with 250 shares. High of day is $1.03. See if we can get some buyers to pull this back up. There we go. We need these buyers to keep the pressure on. And I got out. Let's see how we did. All right, that was just a little baby scalp, $4.96, about $5, 1.9% gain on that trade. I was in this trade exactly, let me get over here, exactly 1 minute. I was in at $1.02, out at $1.04 with 250 shares. I just didn't like the way it was bouncing around my entry point. And taking a look back, I was in and out on this candle right here. And you could see it has pulled back since and trying to continue to pull back. So just a quickie in and out. I got out at a good time. Overall, calendar's looking good for the month. However, I've got a couple of pretty heavy red days here with some bigger losses I'm still trying to make back up. But we've got a whole nother week next week to do that. So thanks for stopping in, and we'll see you next week.